Poems by Arjava, J. A. Chadwick. White Bird. Whither, O bird all white, with ever-increasing speed, do you skim like an arrow of morning the burdenless archer decreed, on its track of the infinite target as a thought ever fain of the deed? Bright though the track of the morning, huge though the target loom, perfect the thought of the thinker, yet may prevail the gloom. Dark be the quenching of daytide, arrow tips rust in the tomb. O running of light in the silence, O silvery morning star, may the dawn be the wordless answer of a beauty no loss can mar. December 30, 1937.